So for this example, next example, notice that our equation having two surds. So therefore, we will going to rearrange in our first step. Let x plus 13 remain at left hand side. Another surd, we go to the right hand side. We move it to the right hand side. Then we can start doing squaring both sides. So when we squaring both sides, square root and square can be cancelled. So left hand side leaving x plus 13. Meanwhile, for right hand side, we have to expand it a square to ab, b square, because we have two terms here. You can see we have two terms here. This is our a, this is our b. We square it, a square we get 4. Then 2 times a times b still equals to 4. Then surd 7 minus x. Then b square, square root and square, we left 7 minus x. After that, our equation will come to the status of remaining one surd. So this remaining one surd we are going to rearrange to the left hand side. Okay, then we try to calculate after moving this to the right hand side. So your x move to the right hand side minus x, it gives you negative 2x. How about the value? 4 plus 7, 11. 11 minus 13, it gives you negative 2. Then we see the coefficient in front here. It is 4, 2, 2, some more negative. We can simplify the equation by dividing it by negative 2. So we get a positive. For us, easier to calculate. Simplify the equation, for us easier to calculate for the next step. So when everything is ready, it's already simplified, we will start removing this one surd, squaring both sides again. So this square, 2 need to square together, it will give you 4. Meanwhile, for square root and square, they can cancel. So 4 times 7 minus x. For right hand side, to expand this, we repeat the concept a squared, which is x squared. And then 2 times a times b, 2 times x times 1, it gives you 2x. After that, b squared, it will give you 1. So our solution equation here will come to the status of quadratic. So you can see quadratic is in the term of x squared something. What we need to do, we expand and rearrange and doing factorize so that we can get the x. So expand this. Rearrange the quadratic, move this negative 4 to the right hand side, give you positive 6x. 28, move to the right hand side is negative 27 equals to 0. Our quadratic is ready to factorize already. Here we get x equals to 3 and x equals to negative 9. For checking, we just press the calculator. What's your left hand side? What's your right hand side? For 3, we substitute inside here. Right hand side is equals to 2. So for x equals to 3, our left hand side will get back value of 2, the value, right? Okay, so for this x negative 9, then I try to substitute. It gives it Surds 4 minus Surds 16. It gives us negative 2, where it doesn't send back equal back to right hand side 2. So for this part, left hand side not equal to right hand side, we will reject this part. So finally, the answer that, so this is left hand side equals to right hand side. Finally, our x equals to 3 will be the final answer.